Do it.
Hello. My friend and I are going to have a little dance contest. I'm going second.
No, he's going first. He's
No,
mine.
or not.
He's going first.
You're going first.
You're going first, Yark. He suck at dancing.
What?
I said you suck at dancing.
I did not suck at dancing.
He's such a lie. Go.
I said you were going first.
Alright, there you go.
Either we have a dance contest or we're just gonna make a random video.
Nah, I'm gonna beatbox, okay? I'm going to beatbox, okay?
That's like a beatboxer.
Give him your best beat.
Wow.
Give him your best beat.
My best beats suck.
Do it. He's gonna go. He's going with his best beat. Do your damn best beat.
Exactly, they're dumb.
Do it. Alright, come hold this camera.
Okay. Yeah. Do your dumb shots.
Poor Damien with his cool way to the beatbox.
You suck. You suck.
Back up, Jack. That's it, bro.
You suck. Let's watch the video first. Let's watch